Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Daily Talk English. I'm Tom and I'm David. And today we have a super helpful topic, how to start a conversation in natural English. Yes, real simple English you can use with friends, coworkers, or even strangers. Nothing difficult, nothing fancy, just clear, natural English. David, and if you're learning English at an A2 level, this episode is perfect for you. We'll go slow, we'll repeat, and we'll give real-life examples. Before we begin, remember to like, follow, and subscribe. It helps the show grow and helps you learn English every day. All right, are you ready? Let's start. Part 1. Easy warm-up. Hello, simple starters. Let's warm up with the simplest thing, saying hello. Right, here are 3 easy ways to start a conversation. 1, hi, how are you? 2, hi, I'm Tom. 3, hello, nice to meet you. Repeat after us. Ready? Both, how are you? Hi, I'm Tom. Hello. Nice to meet you. Good job. Very clear. Now, let's add a friendly question. How's your day going? Easy, right? Let's practice. Hey, how's your day going? It's good. A little busy, but good. This kind of answer is natural and used every day. Part 2. Talking about the situation. Phrases you use when you're in the same place. Sometimes the easiest way to start a conversation is to talk about the moment. Yes, the place, the weather, or the situation. Here are a few great sentences. 1. It's really nice today, isn't it? 2. This place is busy today. 3. Is this seat free? 4. Are you waiting in line? Let's practice each one slowly. Repeat after me. It's really nice today, isn't it? Good job. This place is busy today. Nice work. Now let's do a mini dialogue. It's really nice today, isn't it? Yeah. The weather is perfect. I love sunny days. Great. Now you say my line. And I'll answer. Pause for learners. Yeah, the weather is perfect. I love sunny days. Excellent. You're doing really well. Part 3. Safe, easy, small talk. Asking about daily life. When you want to be friendly, simple questions are best. Here are good small talk questions for A2 learners. What do you do? Do you live nearby? Do you come here often? How was your weekend? Are you from here? Let's practice natural answers. What do you do? I work in a small office. I'm an assistant. Or, David, I study computer science. Good. Now repeat the questions with us. Both. What do you do? Do you live nearby? How was your weekend? Remember, say them slowly at first, then say them fast and naturally. You're improving already. Really. Nice work. Part 4. How to continue a conversation. Follow-up questions. Starting a conversation is easy. Keeping a conversation going is the next step. Here are simple follow-up questions. 1. Oh, really? Tell me more. 2. That sounds nice. What happened next? 3. Do you like it? 4. Why do you enjoy it? These are friendly. They show interest. Tom, let's do a longer example. Listen, full dialogue example. Hi, how are you? I'm good. I just finished a run. Oh, really? Tell me more. I run every morning. It helps me feel fresh. That sounds nice. Do you like morning exercise? Yes, I do. Now repeat with us. Hi, how are you? I'm good. I just finished a run. Oh, really? Tell me more. I run every morning. It helps me feel fresh. That sounds nice. Do you like morning exercise? Yes, I do. Part 5. Real-life situations. Starting a conversation at 1. Work. Hi, do you have a minute? Hey, how's the project going? Can I ask you something? 2. School. Hi, what class do you have next? Do you understand this homework? Do you want to study together? 3. A cafe. Hey, have you tried the coffee here? The cake looks good today. Do you come here often? Practice round. Listen, speak, repeat. Hi, do you have a minute? Sure. What's up? Thanks. I need help with this report. Of course. No problem. Now your turn. Say my line. Pause for learners. Good. You're doing great. Long practice conversation. Hey, do you come here often? Yeah, I like the coffee. How about you? It's my first time. What should I try? The iced latte is nice. Thanks. Friendly, natural, easy. Part 6. Listen, review, conversation. Let's review everything in one long, slow conversation. Just listen first. Hi, how's your day going? Pretty good. I'm just taking a break. Oh, nice. Do you work nearby? Yeah, just down the street. How about you? I'm waiting for a friend. It's a busy day. It really is. The weather is nice though. Yeah, sunny days make me happy. Now repeat. Hosts slowly repeat each line, leaving long pauses. Great job. You're speaking very well today. You should feel proud. Really. Wrap up. Recap plus community question. All right, friends, that brings us to the end of this episode. Today you learned how to say hello, how to ask simple questions, how to make small talk, how to talk about daily life, how to continue a conversation, how to practice real-life English. You did amazing today. Remember, small, simple phrases can start big conversations. And now a fun community question. What's the first thing you do in the morning? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers. Thank you for learning with us. Take care. Stay curious. Both, and keep speaking English. Bye.